Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination, different types of toy vehicle serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles one by one with my hand. At first is a flying horse. Oh friends, I parked here my first toy vehicles. This is very nice flying horse. Here is a red and yellow color combination this horse. And next one is a 6-wheeler drum truck. I parked here this drum truck beside this flying horse. See this drum truck, this is yellow, black and red color combination realistic model drum truck. And now I will drive this Airbus. Oh friends, I parked here this Airbus beside this drum truck. This is very nice and beautiful color combination this Airbus. This one is a DS Tarzan car. Let's go. Wow, I parked here this DS Tarzan car beside this Airbus. See, this is a red, black and silver color combination, this DS Tarzan car. So friends, you can see here already 4 vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. And now I will drive this Green Company double-decker bus. I parked here this double-decker bus beside this DS Tarzan car. This is very nice realistic model. This bus is a yellow, black and white color combination. This is the last one, is a fire truck. Let's go. Wow friends, I also parked here this fire truck beside this bus. This is very nice and also realistic model this fire truck. See, this is a yellow, black, pink and the yellow color combination, this nice fire truck. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. And you can see here all are serially parked. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.